Hello everyone, welcome to Success Education. Today we'll be doing the workbook solution for social science for standard 6, chapter number 8, that is the glory of Bharatvarsha. Before that, if you have not subscribed my channel till now, please do subscribe it for more videos. So we'll start with the MCQs. First, who called the confluence of diversity of Indian culture as unity in diversity? It's option number B, Jawaharlal Nehru. Second, which of the following arts is included in performing art? It's option number C, dancing art. Third one, why were Brahmin texts and Aranyakas created? It's option number A, to explain the Vedas. Fourth one, what is included in the oldest religious literature of India? It's option number C, Vedas. Fifth, by which name was Mahabharat written by Vedvyas initially known? It's option number D, Jay Sanhita. Sixth, what are considered the great texts of Indian philosophy? It's option number B, Upanishads. Seventh, what is the original text of Buddhism called? It's option number C, Tripitak. Eighth, which of the following epics is included in Sangam literature? It's option number D, Mani Mekhalai. Ninth one, by which name was the road on which the merchants of China used to travel, taking silk cloth of India known? It's option number B, Silk Route. Tenth, which world famous painting is considered as the jewel of Indian culture? It's option number A, Padmapani. 11th, which Shiva temple was carved from a single massive rock? It's option number C, Ellora. 12th, which art was developed by the confluence of the Greek and Indian style? It's option number B, Gandhar art. 13th, what is the stupa of Purushpur, that is Peshawar, constructed by Kanishka called? It's option number C, Shahaji Ki Deri. 14th, where is the world famous Jain statue of Gomteshwar located? It's option number A, Shravan Belgauda. 15th, which great educational pilgrimage was developed in Gandhar region? It's option number D, Takshashila. 16th, who suggested making ash of mercury and using it as a medicine? It's option number A, Acharya Nagarjun. 17th, in which university had students to give an entrance exam to get admission? It's option number B, Wallaby University. 18th, which university is located in Bengal? It's option number D, Vikramshila. 19th, of what age are the best coins found? It's option number D, Gupta. 20th, which heritage of India has been unique throughout the world? It's option number B, cultural. Now we'll continue with question number 2, fill in the blanks. First one, the art of direction includes dance and drama. Second, the special literature of South India is Sangam literature. Third, Megasthenes was a Greek ambassador in the court of Chandragupta Maurya. Fourth, from Bhimbetka in Madhya Pradesh, paintings of Neolithic age has been found. Fifth, coins of 5th century BC are called Panchmark coin. Sixth, spherical wells have been found in the time of Mahajan Padas, which were known as wells. Seventh, Ramayana and Mahabharat epics are a triangular confluence of ancient Indian society, culture, and religion. Eighth one, the Ramayana is written by Valmiki. Ninth, the best grammar text in Sanskrit named Ashtadhyayi is written by Panini. 10th, Veer Sen Saba wrote the Prashasti of Chandragupta II. 11th, a book written by Greek sailor Ptolemy about geography gives us information about ports of India. 12th, in India, paintings found in the Neolithic era are considered as the oldest paintings. 13th, there was a great Vidyapeeth in Wallaby of Gujarat is the 6th 7th century. 14th, Nalanda Vidyapeeth is located in Bihar. 15, the coins of Gupta age are considered as the best. Now we'll continue with question number 3, true or false. First one, the Upanishads include the Mandukya, Matsya and Mundak Upanishads. It is true. Second, the book Indica written by the Greek sailor Ptolemy gives information about the ports of India. It is false. Third, paintings of Jatak stories of Buddha which have been found in Ellora caves are world famous. It is true. Fourth, the confluence of Greek and Indian sculpture is found in Gandhar style. It is true. Fifth, Nalanda University of Gandhar region of ancient India was world famous. It is false. Sixth, in ancient time, the oldest person of a village became the head of the village. It is false. Seventh, Mahabharata and Ramayana are called Upanishads. It is false. Eighth, two Sanhitas of Buddhism written in Tibetan language are famous. It is true. Ninth, Narad Smriti is included in law texts. It is true. 10th, the great poet Bhas wrote the best grammar text of Sanskrit language. It is false. 11th, stupa means the entrance gate of the temples of Buddhism. It is false. 12th, in ancient time, Fahim visited Gujarat. It is false. 13th, Gandhar art is completely Indian art. It is false. 14th, Nagarjun was the great Acharya of Vikramshila University. It is false. Now, question number 4, match the following. First part, first one. Takshashila, it's option number 2, Gandhar region. Second, Nalanda, it's option number 3, Bihar. Third, Vikramshila, it's option number 4, Bengal. Fourth, Wallaby, it's option number 1, Gujarat. Now, second part, first one, Mahabharat, it's option number 2, Jay Sanhita. Second, Tripitak, it's option number 3, Buddhist text. Third, Ashtadhyayi, it's option number 1, grammar text. Fourth, Mani Mekhalai, it's option number 5, Sangam literature. Now, third part, first one, Megasthenes, it's option number 2, Greek messenger. Second, Fahim, it's option number 4, came at the time of Chandragupta II. Third, Yunsung, it's option number 5, visitor of Wallaby. Third, Ptolemy, it's option number 3, Greek sailor. Now, question number 5, that is answer in one or two sentences. First, which subjects were taught in Takshashila? Subjects like ethics, Sanskrit, grammar, astronomy and astrology, Hinduism and philosophy were taught in Takshashila. Second, royal coins of which Gupta kings have been found? The coins of Samudragupta, Chandragupta I and Chandragupta II of the Gupta dynasty have been found. Third, in ancient time, which crops were cultivated in India? In ancient time, the crops of wheat, barley, paddy, jowar, millet, sesame, peas, etc. were cultivated in India. Fourth, how was the Gram Bhojak, head of a village, selected in ancient time? In ancient times, the Gram Bhojak, that is head of a village, was selected as mainly the biggest land owner of a village. Fifth, what was the food of the people of ancient India? The main food of the people of ancient India was wheat, barley, rice, milk, curd, ghee, fruits, meat, fish, etc. Sixth, what did males and females of ancient India wear? In ancient times, the people usually wore two clothes. The cloth of lower part of the body was called nivi and the cloth of upper part was called vas. Sometimes they are wrapped adhivas like dupatta around upper part of the body. Seventh, into how many parts was art of ancient India divided? Which? In ancient India, art was divided into two parts. First is fine arts and second performing arts. Eighth, which arts are included in fine arts? Drawing, painting, literature, architecture, music, clay art, etc. are included in fine arts. Ninth, which texts were created to explain the Vedas? Brahmin texts and Aryanyaks were created to explain the Vedas. Tenth one, which two epics are the confluence of culture, society, and religion? The two epics Ramayana and Mahabharata are the confluence of culture, society, and religion. 11th, which texts are included in the Puranas of India? Texts like Vishnu Puran, Garud Puran, Vayu Puran, Narad Puran, Shiv Puran, and Matsya Puran are included in the Purans of India. 12th, what are the original texts of Buddhism called? Which are its types? The original text of Buddhism are called Tripitak. Its types are first Sukta Pitak, second Vinay Pitak, and third Abhidham Pitak. 13th, which are the original texts of Jainism? The original texts of Jainism are Agams, Acharang, and Vaitalik, Dasha Vaitalik Sutra. 14th, who are included in the list of Sanskrit writers of India? The great poets like Kalidas, Bhash, Shudrak, Bharvi, etc. are included in the Sanskrit writers of ancient India. 15th, write the famous epics and plays of Sanskrit literature. The famous epics and plays of Sanskrit literature are Raghuvansham, Meghadutam, Abhigyan Shakuntalam, Kiratarajuniyam, Swapna Vasavadattam, Mritchakatikam, etc. 16th, what is called Sangam literature? Why? The special literature of South India is called Sangam literature. This was composed by about 1600 folk poets in three Sangams in Madurai in first three centuries. 17th, from where is information about Indian ports of ancient time found? Information about the Indian ports of ancient time is found from the texts written about geography by the Greek sailor Ptolemy. 18th, where are the oldest cave paintings found? The oldest cave paintings are found in the caves of Bhimbetka of Madhya Pradesh, Ajanta Ellora of Maharashtra, Amravati, and Bagh. 19th. Which architectures are included in cave architectures? The architectures like Hills of Barabar, Nashik Hills, Ajanta Ellora, and Amravati are included in cave architecture. 20. How many and which were the styles of sculpture of ancient India? There were two styles of sculptures of ancient India. First is Gandhar art and second one is Mathura art. 21. Which are the famous stupas of Buddhism? The famous stupas of Buddhism are: first the stupa of Sanchi, second the stupa of Lumbini, and third the stupa of Sarnath. 22. Write the names of a great philosophers and rulers of Takshashila University. The names of great philosophers and rulers of Takshashila University are Panini, Chanakya, Chandragupta, Jivak, etc. 23. Who was Nagarjun? What did he recommend? Nagarjun was the principal and famous chemist of Nalanda University. He recommended using mercury as a medicine. Now we'll continue with question number 6. Answer the following briefly. First one, give brief information about Vedic literature. Vedic literature began with the creation of Vedas in the Vedic period. There are four Vedas: Rigved, Yajurved, Samved, and Atharvaved. Brahmin texts and Aranyakas were created to explain Vedas. Besides these, Upanishads, Purans, memories, etc. are included in Vedic literature. Second question, which foreign travelers or tourists came to ancient India? The foreign travelers like great ambassador Megasthenes in the period of Chandragupta Maurya, Chinese traveler Fahin in the period of Chandragupta II, Chinese traveler Yunzeng in the period of Harshvardhan, etc. came to ancient India. Third, explain the meaning of stupas and chaityas. Stupa means small dome shaped architecture. The relics of Buddha were buried in the middle of stupa. Buddhist monks meditated at this place. Chaityas means prayer halls. Chaityas were carved in mountains as caves. In Chaityas, the columns, doors, huge prayer hall, etc. were carved in the caves. Chaityas were used as prayer hall. Fourth question, state the great texts of Buddhism and Jainism. The original texts of Buddhism are called Tripitak. The texts of Jainism are called Agam texts. The texts of Buddhism are Sukta Pitak, Vinay Pitak, Abhidham Pitak, Dighanikaya, Jatak stories, Majjhima Nikaya, Milind Panho, etc. The texts of Jainism are: the ancient literature of Jainism are divided in 14 parvas and 12 angs. The texts like Agams, Acharang, and Vaitalik Dashavajitalik Sutra are included in the main text of Jainism. Now we'll continue with question number 7. Write a short note on. So first topic is non-religious literature. Literature which contains non-religious content is called non-religious literature. It includes poems, dramas, allocates, smritis, and grammar texts. First one, smriti texts: Manusmriti, Yagnavalkya Smriti, Narad Smriti, etc. are famous smriti texts. Second, plays and epics: Abhigyan Shakuntalam, Raghuvansham, Meghadutam, etc. are famous plays and epics in Sanskrit language. Third one, Sangam literature. The special literature of southern India is known as Sangam literature. In it, the heroic poems Shilapadikaram and Mani Mekhalai are the main poems. The great grammarian Panini composed a Sanskrit grammar text Ashtadhyayi. Second topic, village and town life of ancient India. In ancient time, village life and town life of North and South India were seen as follows. In North India, the head of the village was called Gram Bhojak. This post was hereditary. There were three types of people living in South India. First, big landlords, second, small farmers, and third, landless laborers. Most of the cities of this time were capital cities. The fort was built around the capital. The wells were built for toilets, drains, and dustbins. They are called spherical wells. The people of rural and urban areas used to take wheat, barley, rice, milk, curd, ghee, fruits, meat, fish in their food. Third one, Wallaby University. In the 6th 7th century AD, Maitrak dynasty ruled in Gujarat. At this time, Wallaby University was developed as an education center in Gujarat. Wallaby University is believed to be located near Wallabhipur near Bhavnagar. The Chinese traveler Yun Sung came at this time and visited Wallaby University. He praised Wallaby University a lot. In ancient time, Wallaby University became famous as a modern university. The modern education system was implemented in Wallaby. Wallaby University became famous in India and in the world because of its special education system. It was really an international university. And here we come to the end of the chapter number 8, the glory of Bharatvarsh. I hope you have understood the whole chapter. If you have any doubts, you can write in the comment section. I'll surely try to answer all the questions. Thank you for watching my video and please do subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.